we'll go ahead and pull the second pull station. Here we go. Gone ahead and silenced it from the Firelight ANN80 fire alarm annunciator. It's basically a mini fire alarm control panel that's connected to the main control panel. And the key activates the buttons. Okay, we'll go ahead and reset the pull stations and then move on. So these T-bars are extremely easy to reset. You just stick the key in, open it, and then close it. On the inside there's just a button. And then same thing for the double action one.